Breaking news. There has been a shortage in McDonald's fries. The culprit is still not yet to be found. Fry thief found. The thief is a purple cat. There's only 3 purple cats in the world. Actually, there's a big purple cat. They'll sit on you in an instant. The culprit is me. I'm the culprit, but I have a partner. He didn't do any work. All he did was sit down and do nothing. He's so lazy that no matter what you do, it's like picking up a rock. That's how lazy he is. He's a cheetah named Bob, who's so lazy he won't even breathe. He got a moderator installed that will breathe for him. Now to him.
Hey, you. Yeah, you sitting there. I'm a cheetah, not a leopard.
Yep. That's it. That's all he says.
Oh, no, that's not all I say. I say one more thing. Hey, folks, wanna know something? Where the Coke at?
Alright, that's enough. He was obviously talking about Coca-Cola.
No, there's another version of Coke. It's sans or something. C-O-K-E. Classified. Overweight. Kinky. And exposed.
Okay. What's the other version?
Powdered sugar.
Okay, no.
I got one more thing to say. That cat, he ain't purple.
Yeah, I am.
No, you ain't purple.
How are you?
Yes. And also, you know that UFO that you have in the closet? You know, the one that seemed to go missing? It was right behind you.
Yeah, I think it's pretty high.
No. And do you know how it was flying and hit you in the face? That's because I was controlling it with my tail.
You were?